On the Ickonic Documentaries, the news show this week, well, it's been a week of madness with transgender activists complaining that someone, a trans someone, who killed 3 children and 3 adults, had his pronouns misgendered in media reports. We had Joe Biden responding to the murders by talking about ice cream. And we have the new leader of Scotland, Humza Yousaf, saying in a country that is 96% white, that too many white people are in key positions and jobs. Join me as I wade through a week in the lunatic asylum in the Ickonic Documentaries, the news show from 7 p.m. every Friday. And you can take out a free 7-day trial whenever you like.